The government report is shedding more light on the growing problem of prescription drug abuse. According to the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration, there were close to 1 million emergency room visits in 2009 involving the misuse of pharmaceuticals. That's nearly double the number from 2004. The report also reveals a 400% jump in the number of people seeking treatment for addictions to painkillers from 1998 to 2008. And in many states, more people are now dying from prescription drugs than from car accidents. The growing problem of prescription drug abuse is rampant in South Florida. In fact, Dave Ehrenberg, a former state senator from our area, has been assigned by the state to take down illegal pill mills, making it harder for addicts to get their hands on pills. Our report tonight from Evan Axelbank, who's joining us live tonight from outside Ehrenberg's new office on North Flagler Drive in West Palm Beach. Evan?
Well, Jim, the state says that pill mills are clinics that recklessly prescribe prescription drugs to people who they know are addicted. Now, Dave Ehrenberg is a former Democratic state senator. He has been appointed by a new Republican administration to take those pill mills down. And with more than 300 of those pill mills in Palm Beach and Broward counties, he is basing his operation here. James McGilvery still has his son's collection of pain pill bottles.
We need somebody to stand up to these drug companies and these killer doctors and these dens of hell pill mills and tell them, you know what? No more.
His son is serving a 3-year sentence for stealing money to pay for the thousands of pain pills that he took each month. McGilvery runs an anti-pain pill website.
My son got in trouble a year ago. He was close to death from these drugs.
He got an email from Dave Ehrenberg on Tuesday, a former state senator who he'd met with last year to plead his case on pill mills.
I'm going to lead the state's efforts against pill mills full time.
Today was Ehrenberg's first day on the job.
These are not just junkies from Kentucky. These are families locally. Someone who's injured at work and then they get hooked on this medication, and it's only too easy to get the drugs.
He wants to require anyone who visits a clinic for pills to take a drug test first. He also wants a state database to track patients and to make it harder for clinics to hand pills over to those who pay more up front.
Florida used to be the cocaine capital of the country. This is worse because cocaine is hard to get and expensive. This is easy, it's plentiful, and it's cheap.
For now, the latest push gives McGilvery new hope that his cries are being heard.
If he has my spirit, if he goes out there and knows that he's carrying the voice and the spirit of our loved ones that these killer doctors and these pill mills have taken from us, and he wakes up every day and say, I got that weight on my shoulders, I think he can get it done.
Ehrenberg admits that he is working within an administration that has shown itself in its first few days to be anti-regulation, but he calls these regulations no-brainers, and he says his experience as a former state senator means that he has relationships with people on both sides of the aisle and that he can get things done. We are live in West Palm tonight. Evan Axelbank, WPTV, News Channel 5.